What is research? Research is a systematic and methodical investigation into a particular subject or issue, aimed at discovering new knowledge, testing hypotheses, and gaining a deeper understanding of a given topic. Research. What exactly is it? Research is a structured and systematic approach to investigate and explore a particular topic or issue. What is the purpose of research? The main purpose of research is to gather new knowledge, test hypotheses, and gain a deeper understanding of a given subject. How does one conduct research? Research can be conducted in a variety of ways, but typically involves formulating a research question, reviewing relevant literature, collecting data through various methods, such as surveys, experiments, or observations, analyzing the data, and drawing conclusions based on the findings. What are the benefits of research? Research helps us to understand complex issues and solve problems. It allows us to make informed decisions, and it contributes to the advancement of knowledge in various fields. Research is an essential tool for discovery and progress, providing us with the knowledge and understanding we need to make informed decisions and solve problems. Research helps us to continue learning and growing, advancing our understanding of the world and ourselves.